In 2019, Ethiopia launched what is now one of the largest reforestation efforts in human history. The initiative is called Green Legacy. The headline number is 25 billion seedlings planted across the highlands by 2024. This is the geography of that effort. We are flying over the Bale Mountains, the Choke Mountains, and the highland watersheds that feed the Awash, the Blue Nile, and the Omo. These are not ornamental tree plantings. They are watershed restoration, soil erosion mitigation, and a slow national bet that the next generation of children will inherit a country with more topsoil than the last. The questions matter as much as the totals. How many of the 25 billion survived past their first dry season? Which species were planted in which microclimates, and which microclimates were mismatched? Did the planting compete with food production for marginal land, and if so, where? These are the questions Trellison Institute scores. The scoring is methodological, not political. What we know from independent satellite analysis is that tree cover gain in the targeted highlands is real. The gain is measurable in Sentinel-2 imagery, and that the survival rate varies sharply by elevation band, by district, and by the rainy season years that followed each planting cohort. The verification work is ongoing. The most credible voices are Ethiopian scientists and foresters who have been quietly counting trees. Trellison supports that work. We do not influence it, we rate it.
What if Ethiopia's 25 billion seedlings translate into verifiable carbon credits? The standard projection, at $3 per tree ton over a 30-year project life, that is $75 billion on the project sheet. Apply Trellison's 18-signal methodology to our own assertion. Signal 5, control adequacy. Seedling survival rates in dryland Africa run 20 to 40%, minus 50%. Signal 10, limitation disclosure. Monoculture stands, grazing pressure, drought stress, minus 25%. Signal 11, conclusion bounding. Leakage, permanence, additionality, minus 20%. Defensible, $22 billion over 30 years. The seedlings are planted. The forest and the verification is what comes next.